Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm talking about the top 5 cryptocurrencies. The world is changing and there is a massive shift from traditional currencies to digital currencies. Presently, several people are investing in cryptocurrencies and there's a lot of options in the market. As of now, there are over 4,000 cryptocurrencies in the world with people investing in different coins. Here are the top 5 cryptocurrencies. 1. Bitcoin. According to many crypto investors, Bitcoin is the oldest. This coin is not just old, it is also one of the most sorted cryptocurrencies. Just like other digital currencies, Bitcoin has its ups and downs. However, a careful valuation of the market helps its investors to make money with it. As of 2019, Bitcoin sells for a little over $10,000. Presently, according to price, one Bitcoin is selling for above $55,000. Thus, we can see a massive increase from investors within the past 2 years. Investors of 2019 can currently sell off their investment for about 5 times the price. If you want to play safe, Bitcoin may just be the safest crypto to invest in right now. 2. Ethereum. Ethereum gets its drive from a popular dApp processing platform. In terms of investment safety, this crypto is less safe than Bitcoin. In fact, its statistics over the past 6 years have been pretty unstable according to Statista. However, those that got this coin in 2015 when it was selling for just over $1 are currently making a fortune as it is currently selling over $1,700. 3. Litecoin. Litecoin has been around for a long time, but its price tag remains low. This is extremely the reason why we believe that it is still yet to hit its full potential. Investing in Litecoin will be an opportunity for many, but it will also be a serious risk. Over the past 5 years, its price has been quite volatile. Thus, potential investors need to be really careful. 4. Dogecoin. Probably very few people, but there are huge potential with this cryptocurrency. Presently, it is bravely worth $1. Specifically, according to Live Price Tracker, Dogecoin is worth $0.055. Well, it was worth much less few weeks ago. Why the sudden popularity of this cryptocurrency? It has everything to do with Tesla's CEO Elon Musk. Over the past few weeks, there have been at least 8 Twitter posts from Elon Musk singing Dogecoin's praises. 5. Bitcoin Cash. A spin-off of the original Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash hit the road as a result of a hard fork. As of today, this coin is worth just over $500. However, over the past few years, it has been pretty consistent. Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel.